Hey guys, today we're unboxing a really cool RC car, so let's get into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Aaryan Nukala. In this video, we're going to be unboxing a Tesla Roadster RC car.
As you can see here, the box has a very minimalistic and sleek design. The box is sturdy with the Tesla and the Hot Wheels RC logos prominently displayed. The box has a premium feel to it and has all the car's features displayed on its front and sides. The box exactly matches the Tesla theme with its futuristic design. You wouldn't even know it's a Hot Wheels and Tesla collaboration if it wasn't for the Hot Wheels logo on the top and around the box.
Let's start the unboxing.
As soon as you open up the box, you can see that everything is neatly organized. We got the car and the remote control, all wrapped in individual compartments to keep them secure. You can't help but appreciate how well everything has been thought through. Honestly, this car looks fire. I love the red color. It just shines out of the box. I can't wait to start driving this car right now. This car is an almost exact replica of the real Tesla Roadster. To the lights, to the cameras in the front, to everything. They matched every tiny detail in this car. I really love the attention to detail. I mean, that's what makes it Tesla. Here we have 3 instruction manuals. One is the warning manual, another one is on how to put the batteries into the car, and then the last one is the main one on just how to control the car totally. Just by unboxing it, you can feel how premium the car feels and how much work they put into making this car by designing it, boxing it up, and everything. This collaboration was a really smart choice to create a Tesla toy that everyone can enjoy from the comforts of their home. We finally freed the car and the remote control from their box. Oh my god, just look how incredible the car looks. I'm amazed. The attention to detail is incredible, from the glossy paint job to the carefully molded features that replicate the real car. It even has Roadster written on the number plate in the back. The wheels are rubberized for maximum grip. You can also see the crazy detailing on the headlights and rear taillights. It exactly feels like holding a real Tesla Roadster that shrunk. They used a high-quality plastic in creating this car. It's both lightweight and durable, ensuring that the car can withstand some rough play without losing its sleek look. Whether you have the Tesla red color or the Tesla white color, the paint reflects off the car in such a way that it gives a high-end premium feel. I have never seen a more detailed RC car than this in my entire life. Just look at how magnificent the car looks. I was so happy when I got this car. This Tesla Roadster isn't run by batteries. You have to charge the car to drive it, just like the actual Tesla. So that's another Easter egg in the car. Let's unscrew it so we can finally charge the car and start driving soon. The cable is USB and the wire is not that long, so you have to keep it close to the charging port. Let's also unscrew the controller because it doesn't come with batteries and the car isn't pre-charged. I'm charging the car right here. You don't get any indication that the car is charging from the top, but there's a tiny light you can see from the bottom. I'll show it to you in a sec. Watch here, see that tiny green light? That means the car is charged. I put the batteries in. Yay! We can finally start driving the car.
Finally done.
The car drives amazingly well in the surfaces like indoors or concrete. But when it comes to grass, yeah, that's not possible. It gets stuck in grass. The car also drives extremely well in asphalt. The car is actually pretty fast. It goes 12 miles per hour. I don't know if that's fast for people who are into race cars, but it's fast enough for me. This car is really fun to drive, and me and my brother are really happy we got this car. This car has 100 feet range and even has suspension in it. The car is also a rear-wheel drive, just like the actual Tesla Roadster. The car actually charges pretty fast. It can get up to maximum charging in about 30 minutes and stays with the whole battery for actually a pretty long time. You couldn't see this outside that much because it was bright, but the tailgate lights and the front headlights light up. This is another amazing feature that isn't in all RC cars. In my channel, Aaryan Nukala, I'll try my best to give 1 or 2 videos on unboxing new things and new toys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon after you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!